Hi guys, I hope you are doing great and amazing. So I'm so sorry my voice has gone zero. So yes, yesterday was new moon, and if you know that new moons are really, you they affect your soul. They cleanses everything, and yes, normally I get a lot of issues on new moon. Yeah, so let's start with our reading. So I was hearing this statement of what is letting go, okay, what is going off, okay, what you're letting go in this new moon, and what is coming after this new moon, okay. So yeah, so you should know it, okay, that what you let go of, okay, already, yes, till yesterday. Okay, and there are some few energies that for today as well, so when I'm filming it. But yes, what you can expect after this is very important. What you have released is something that is very important to know. Okay, there is a message that I want to tell you as well, which is very, like, very specific, and if you are here in this reading, then this message is only for you. um so it's like, it was a very heavy energy. Some were not feeling well, some were feeling like very emotional or very detached kind of energy was there. Like, there were weather fluctuations, and emotional purging was coming out, I can feel from this new moon. You also got a lot of conclusions, okay, because it was still the, like a completion kind of full moon energy that was there till the new moon actually began, okay. So I really feel that this new moon in Sagittarius has melted your heart, okay, cleansed your heart, melted it, and it is trying to heal it now. That's something I'm getting. I don't know, but a lot of you have gone through a lot of things this year. I know that. I completely resonate with you guys. But the thing is, spirits are very proud of you, and I myself is very proud of you. You have given everything, but right now universe is trying to teach you that overgiving is not mandatory for you, okay. Overgiving, stop doing these things, like in over excessive things whatever you are doing, because you know anything that is over or lack is never been appreciated by the universe. So that's what our universe is trying to tell you, that whatever you did it, universe knows that you did it out of your love, out of your care and your genuinity, your innocent child of the universe. And that is why universe is um trying to teach you and let these things go off, okay. Why are your fevers, why are your colds, why are your emotional purging, okay, whatever it is that you're sensing right now, it is the actual part. Just comment down and let me know how much it is this reading is resonating with you guys, so I can catch all the things and I can do better, okay. So remember that one thing, definitely do let me know. I'm so sorry guys, I really need to drink water, okay, because I'm also not feeling well, as you know. So it's like, what I am getting as a message of, for you guys as a collective, okay. It is like, this new moon in Sagittarius, as you know, has arrived, like, like a sacred excel for the collective, okay. Universe is trying to tell you it is not quite, and it is not even subtle, but the Sagittarius energy is the, archer of truth, like the archer of truth, whatever it is, the seeker of higher meaning, the sign that refuse to live small or like huge or lie to itself, whatever it is. Under this lunation, okay, the universe is trying to ask you one clear question, which is, what I'm hearing is, what no longer aligns with the truth of who you are becoming. So a lot of you, like, guys, I really feel that a lot of you have this question, like this feeling that what is not serving me should let go of. Okay, this is not serving me, just let it go off. I just don't want this energy in my life. I don't want this person in my life and everything. Like, trust me, this is the energy that is you have done and have accumulated via the universe itself. Okay, because this, when you ask yourself, while just asking it, and just as clearly, it promises something, powerful in return once you release it, because it was meant to release. Okay, what I'm getting here is that only that what you have released, or you have been asked to let go of, is nothing but at a soul level. You guys has been, releasing false timelines within your own soul lines. Okay, these are the versions of life you were holding on to because of some fear or limiting beliefs or conditioning, or your guilds or external pressure of this world, of the 3D world. Okay, or your own 5D world that is not healed, inner child traumas also. Yeah, not because they were, like, meant for you, but it was meant to release. Many of you have been walking paths that looked right, okay, on paper, but felt heavy in the body and spirit. So you must be having that thing, okay, in your life, where you felt like you're doing it, but you're not feeling the good in it. Okay, you're not feeling happy or satisfied within it. So that's something I'm getting here. Okay, also the universe is, like, this new moon, um, universe is saying that this new moon has already marked the moment you stop forcing yourself to fit into a life, that doesn't feel expansive anymore. So that's something you really need to understand in your life. Okay, that it is like you're letting go of um, limiting beliefs, okay, around worth and timing, the belief that you are late, the belief that you missed your chance, the belief that you must kind of suffer longer to earn happiness or something like that. So that's, if I hope you are understanding what I'm saying here. Just this Sagittarius energy also, with linked with this new moon, does not believe in punishment based growth. Okay, just remember that. That's what the energy of Sagittarius new moon is. It believes in wisdom through experience, and this lunation clears the karmic illusion that struggle is your permanent identity. So a lot of you who are watching this, you have this the loop of behavior pattern in it, you can say, or like, illusion or a mindset that, yes, if you struggle, okay, then you will be, like, attracting the best. Okay, your experience needs struggle, your whatever you need, your goal needs struggle and everything. Stop doing that. That's what one lesson is all about. You are letting go of this struggle right now, and that's what universe is trying to teach you, that struggle is not the key. The key is to be happy and be in the moment, and live happily in your soul, satisfied, be satisfied in your soul. So do not struggle. So because I really feel a lot of you have, like, this identity of struggling, okay, that you will struggle to get a job, and then only you will get a job. This is your mindset, so you have to change this pattern. And I really feel that there is also a release of people pleasing tendencies and external validation. Okay, many in this collective, I can really sense that, have been over explaining themselves, shrinking their truth to keep the peace, or carrying emotional responsibilities that were never theirs. Okay, so yes, this new moon has also cut cords with dynamics where your generosity was exploited or your silence was expected. You're no longer available for roles that are that require the self betrayal kind of things. So emotionally you guys are shedding old grief as well and unresolved disappointment, as I told you, especially connected to broken promises, your own and others. Okay, so this Sagittarius energy also governs hope, faith, belief systems, and this lunation exposes where your faith was placed in the wrong places. I hope you're understanding and getting my point. Okay, what universe is trying to tell you. Um, you are releasing attachment to outcomes that didn't happen, but because you felt, but because they were detours, not destinations for you at that time. So just remember that on a mental level, you're actually letting go of everything. Okay, the overthinking you once had. Also the self doubt and the need to have all the answers before moving forward. I really feel right now my energy is like, as you can say, I'm not talking so fast because I'm taking my own time to understand the message and deliver it to you as it is and properly. Okay, so that's what you also have to do. Take a hold of yourself, breathe a little bit, and then move forward with whatever you are understanding and getting. Okay, but try to optimize each and every essence and meaning of whatever the signs are. That is something I'm also getting. Okay, for you guys. um Also you have to let go. You're letting go of this. You have almost let go of the things that need to have all the answers before moving forward. That is also one thing I'm understanding from this energy, that the new moon in Sagittarius was trying to tell me. Okay, this new moon, okay, which happened yesterday, ask for the trust in your journey from your side. Okay, remember this, that this new moon reminds you that clarity comes from action. Okay, after action, in short, the clarity comes after action, not before. That is something that I'm listening from the universe. Okay, the need for certainty is being replaced with courage for you guys. In short, spiritually, if I have to say, many of you are releasing old karmic vows as well, to stay small, to suffer silently, to carry the ancestral pain without question in it. This lunation supports breaking generational patterns, I can feel, and rewiring and rewriting your personal philosophy of life. So you're no longer here to repeat survival stories. You are here to live kind of truth lead life. Okay, where you are you and you are very authentic about it, and it doesn't matter where you're going or what. But I really feel that this is something that you are getting. Okay, I'm so sorry guys, I really need to just breathe a little bit and drink water because I'm not feeling well. So I hope you understand. So yeah, like, that is something that you are that was the message of the universe, that you are letting go. Okay, okay, let me see what more you have, like, let go of the things. Okay, they're asking me to take the tarot cards. Okay, like two of the tarot cards, and after that there is the monology deck that I have to take. Okay, fine. What more? What my collectives are letting go of, have already let go of. So this is like, you're not letting go of, you have already let go of, and there is only like 0.005 1 to 5% that is remaining. Okay, I'm so sorry, but I cannot do anything. I'm literally sneezing a lot. I'm not feeling well. But it's okay. Emotional purging is very important and cleansing also. Okay. Okay, so yes. See, I told you, you are grieving. You're letting go of the past things, okay? You're grieving on it because I really feel a lot of you have not grieved or you have not put attention to what you are feeling. You are not feeling the loss, okay, of whatever it is, the like the job of the person that loved you once, okay, or you maybe someone you have a deceased one or something. So take as it resonates, but you are trying to feel, universe is allowing you to feel and let go of the pressure and everything, and move forward with clear energies, okay? Yes, that is something. And yes, you are balancing. Universe is trying to make you balanced. Your heart chakra was inactivated, okay? So last night or a few days before the new moon, you started sensing and emotional purging has happened a lot. Yeah, it was very chaotic. I can feel it. Oh my god. Let's see what more. Slow and steady, you will get everything. That is something I'm getting. See, like King of Wands, it is kind of saying you are actually observing everything, like you have just seated and universe is letting you see what is going on, okay? um I really feel that you're taking your own charge. You have to take your own charge. You're feeling that it's enough right now. Universe is showing you a lot of things right now, what is meant for you and what is not, okay? This is something that you are letting go. Whatever you are seeing, whatever the universe is trying to show you, it is coming. Yeah, emotions are running high. Super moon, and I told you the 5 of cups. Yeah, the intensity of this emotions is very high, okay? Emotions are running high for you guys. You really need to, you are, this is another confirmation for the message that I was uh, talking about beforehand through the tarot cards as well for you guys. Universe is saying emotions are running high for you. Why? Because it is very important for you to feel it and let it go forever, not for just being, okay? A lot of you are crying and then stopping and doing everything, and suddenly a wave of again emotional traumas comes and you try to feel it. Yes, new moon in eclipse. See, full moon to new moon, that is a super moon, and I told you that it is the full moon's energy that is when like ending, concluding everything, and a new beginning is starting. And yes, expect powerful change. That's what the universe is trying to tell you, that now after this new moon there is a huge powerful change that is happening in your life and you are sensing it, okay? So yeah, that's what I am getting here for the let go part of yours, okay? um so the next thing which I'm getting the message for, okay, is like, I will take this for it, okay? What is coming after this new moon, okay, was something that is amazing and astonishing for you guys, okay? Because what follows this release is, expansion, and we have already got the new moon card of expect powerful change, okay? And yes, I'm so sorry. I started sneezing again. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I do not mind, please. But I cannot do anything. So it's the message that I got Okay, for after this new moon, what is coming for you guys is, the expansion, ultimate expansion, but not the chaotic kind of. Just remember that. I know you have got like a lot of transformative phase, but very chaotic things going on. This is, aligned expansion. Universe is saying the kind that, feels like your soul finally has room to breathe. You are getting suffocated, I really feel like, and I'm the one as well that resonates with this energy. I don't know, but yeah, like, you are suffocating, but finally your soul can get the room to breathe. Okay, first, you guys are stepping into clarity of direction. That's something that is coming from you guys very strongly. Okay, because you are not getting the direction. You were feeling like I'm directionless where I'm going. You are not able to even see where is your direction, where is your path. So you will be getting a clarity, clear clarity of your direction, where you have to head forward. You may not have every detail right now, but you will know, what feels right and what doesn't instantly. Decisions that once felt confusing will suddenly feel obvious for you, because this Sagittarius energy brings vision. And after this new moon, many of you will feel a, renewed sense of purpose, even if it starts as a, quite inner knowing rather than a loud external change. So that's something. Yeah, the inner power, that's what I'm saying. The external change will be actually happening because your inner change is already done. Okay, and you will be sensing that. Expect new opportunities, okay, connected to like learning, traveling, teaching, spirituality, or sharing your voice also, because that's something the divine feminine is teaching you right now, and that is what the change is talking about. This could be a literal travel or a metaphorical journey into a new mindset, belief system or career path, any of this. Many of you are also being prepared to step into roles where where, your experiences become your wisdom, and your story becomes medicine for others. So that's something I'm getting. For some of you, your reel of motivation or inspiration can get viral. I don't know, a video or a reel, or you can become an influencer as well. I don't know why this was very specific. Maybe you're a doctor as well, so you will be getting famous if you work with authenticity and realistic mindset of yours, and very genuinely to help others heal. That's something I'm getting. As well as emotionally, there is a return of hope and enthusiasm. Enthusiasm for life, the heaviness lifts. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. The constant questioning of why is this happening to me is kind of transforming into, what is this teaching me. Like that kind of circumstances is happening right now, will happen. Okay, after this, for some of you, you begin to, trust that life is working with you, not against you. Joy returns in small but meaningful ways. That's kind of something that I'm also getting for you. Also, for some of you, relationships shift significantly after this new moon. Some connections may naturally fall away, while others strengthen through honesty and clarity, and, shared growth. So new soul connections may enter, people who speak your language, challenge your beliefs in healthy ways, and, support your expansion rather than fear it. So these are connections based on truth, true offerings. See, these are connections based on truth, not trauma bonds, and that is what your true offering will be, and theirs too. They won't be, making you feel that it is like just they are here for any kind of things, just random things they just want to take, they do not want to give. it has like ended right now, that kind of stuff. So yeah, and like career wise also I feel like um flow. See, career and purpose wise, if I have to say, you guys are entering a phase of aligned risk taking. Okay, going with the flow kind of energy. Also, this Sagittarius rewards those who act from faith, not fear. So yeah, that is what I'm getting from this card as well. Okay, you may feel called to apply for something bigger, speak up, or start something you have delayed, or finally choose yourself over comfort. So yes, this new moon is also planting the seed. The coming weeks show you how to nurture it. So that's something I'm getting for you guys. Let's see what more. Okay. Yeah, see, energetic clearing, and the other card is the guidance. I told you this is a divine confirmation for your spiritual path. There is a deepening of trust and divine timing. Okay, you stop chasing signs and start embodying belief. That's what the thing is, because your belief system is getting pured, okay, and cleared. I can feel. Um, Also, I feel the synchronicities are increasing because guidance is becoming very clearer for you guys. Your intuition sharpens because it is no longer clouded by doubts or desperation. So yes, these cards are confirming it. And most importantly, what is coming next is freedom, internal freedom. Okay, because freedom from old narratives, freedom from self imposed limitations, freedom from living someone else's truth. This is the Sagittarius energy that reminds you that life is meant to be explored, not endured. Okay guys, that's what the guidance is very purely saying, that you are a shining star and you are meant for all these things. Okay, so this new moon is not about becoming someone new. It is about returning to who you were before fear taught you to shrink. What you have released was never meant to stay in your life. Just remember that what is coming is not random, it is earned through your courage, honesty, and willingness to grow. So just embrace it. Trust this reset, trust this fire, trust your path. The arrow has been released, okay, via the clearance. Okay, and now allow it to land exactly where it's meant to be. That's what your guidance is. Okay, because you really need to understand, and this reading is very very important reading. I cannot tell you how much important it is. Life, a decade went, like 10 years passed, but only few times you were happy. See, divine angels are telling now, just trust it. Just trust it, guys. Trust the process and just let it flow. Go with the flow. Yeah, whatever you sacrificed, okay, you will get the fruits of it. And you have to sacrifice your negativity and let go of all the negativity in order to surrender. You have to do all these things. Detachment, see, you have to be detached. That is your true offering to the universe. Your extraordinary universe is telling you you have all everything that that the new version of your text. Okay, yeah, you are actually emotionally purging, and that grief is very important to get out, because that's what, where when the grief that both are gratitude and grief are both are a G, starting from G. Okay, and R. But when gratitude has A and grief has I, which is the secondary thing, you really need to remove grief in order to see the gratitude in your life. And that's when your inner power awakens. Universe is saying the love you feel, it is the ultimate expansive and creation is for your own life. So definitely guys, do like, subscribe, and comment down below and let me know, did this reading resonated with you? or not. And definitely if you can share and show some love to our channel, then it will be the bestest thing you can do for me. Bye.